So most people still don't realize that Google's Nano Banana can help with so many different things, whether that's a personal project or even if it's starting a one-person business. And in today's video, what I want to do is show you 4, maybe 5 different use cases for Nano Banana from the very start all the way to the very end if you're serious about launching a one-person business in 2026. I'll also show you how this free AI image tool plays a big role along every single step of the way. So make sure you stick around to the very end because you're going to learn something that you didn't know about Google's Nano Banana. Now, jumping straight into it, when it comes to finding it, you can go directly onto Google Gemini. And I would say that's the main place that most beginners go to when it comes to making images using Nano Banana. But I recommend going over to this site that could be found at labs.google. Over here, you're going to find all of these different Google AI tools that you probably didn't know existed. But the one that I'm going to click on is this one that's called Flow. So I'm just going to select it. Okay, great. So this is what Flow is going to look like. As long as you've got a Gmail email address, you're going to be able to access it. And most of you right now are probably thinking, Sam, why can't I just go onto Google Gemini when it comes to making images with Nano Banana? And the answer to that is you're not going to be able to have full control over the type of image you want to make. Over here, the only thing that you're capable of doing is selecting create image and entering in a prompt. You're not able to choose what type of ratio you want to go with. You're not able to select how many images you want to make. And when it comes to downloading it, you don't have the option of what you want the quality to look like. But on the other hand, this is something that you can do with Flow. So what I'm going to do is just log into my account. And then from there, this is what the interface is going to look like. Now, just to kind of give you a quick overview of what I'm going to be doing in today's video, as I said in the intro, I'm going to be showing you 4 or 5 different use cases for Nano Banana. And it's all going to relate to getting a one-person business up and running. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to assume that most of you already have a digital product or you already know exactly how to build one and you're just trying to figure out how Nano Banana is going to help you. Like for example, the digital product that I'm going to be using for demonstration purposes in today's video is going to be this digital planner. This is a digital planner made for people that are thinking about building and launching their first app. So it's going to help them when it comes to keeping track of all of their expenses, you know, the thoughts that they had on a particular day. And they're going to be able to use it throughout the entire year. And they're also going to be able to go back to this dashboard and look at all of the details in a quick breakdown. But this now brings me on to one of the first things that Nano Banana is going to be able to assist you with, which is with logo creation. So now that I've got this product, let's say if I wanted to build an entire website for me to start selling it, I'm going to be able to go over to Hostinger's AI website builder. Most of you that are returning viewers already know exactly how this works, but they've made some improvements to it. So I'm just going to quickly build a website. I'm just going to say build a website for the purpose of selling a weekly budget digital planner specifically for new app builders for a store called Budget Your App. Literally, you're going to be able to just enter one sentence just like this and Hostinger is going to build out the entire site. So what I'm going to do is just click on enter. And just like that, as you can see, the store has now been built. It took about 30 seconds, but here we are. So it's got all of these different images. It's got this logo. It's got these different placeholder products. And I just want to break down step by step how I would personally use Nano Banana in this particular scenario. So one of the first use cases is going to be to update this logo. To do this, what I'm going to do is just go back over to Flow. I'm going to enter this prompt that says create a simple logo with a graphic on the left of a calculator, and on one line, I want it to have this text, which is Budget Your App, which is the name of my digital planner. Ensure the logo is navy blue with green accents and the background is white. Make sure that it's modern but simplistic. So this is the type of prompt that you may want to use as well. Just keep it short and sweet and it's going to be able to do a decent job. Now, this is where Flow differs from Google Gemini because what you can do is click into this. And as you can see, you've got these different options of portrait, landscape. You can ask Flow to use Nano Banana to make up to 4 different images. And you've got the option of selecting Imagen 4, which is one of Google's other image generation tools, the regular Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro. So of course, in this case, I'm going to leave it on Nano Banana Pro and I'm just going to click on enter. And there we go, guys. Just like that, within about 5 seconds, it's come back with all of these different images that I'm going to be able to choose from. If you went onto a site like Fiverr, you would have had to have paid, I don't know, $25, maybe $50. And you would have had to have gone back and forth with a designer. But with this one, you're going to be able to get your logo for completely free with a click of a button. Now, the one that I'm going to go with is this one. So I'm just going to click on download. And right there, as you can see, you can either download the image in 1K, 2K, or 4K quality. So if you want to get 4K, you're going to have to upgrade. I haven't done so yet. So you can go with 2K. I haven't found any issues with this. So I'm just going to click on download. And then I'm going to go back over to my Hostinger site. I'm going to click on editor. I'm going to click on the actual logo. I'm going to click on image. I'm going to click on add image. And then what I'm going to do is just drag the image in there just like this. And as you can see, it's now been uploaded. So all I need to do is click on select. And there we go. Just like that, the logo has instantly been updated. So this is a lot more professional. This is something that you're going to be able to do with whatever type of store you're running. If you've got a website, you're going to be able to use it. If you want to make a logo for whatever reason, you're going to be able to use Nano Banana just like that to get a high quality image made. But this now brings me on to one of the second use cases for Nano Banana, which is the fact that you can use it when it comes to making general images that's going to go on your landing page or your website or whatever type of platform you're looking to sell on. So in this case, I'm using Hostinger. So we've got this image over here. We've got all of these different images on the homepage. So if I just click into the editor, now the thing about Hostinger is that if I just click into the image just like this, click on replace image, they definitely offer a lot of different options when it comes to being able to update the image for completely free. So as you can see, I've just typed in laptop just like that. So if I want to use any one of these different images, I'm free to do so. So I'm just going to select a random one. Let's go with this one over here. Okay, just like that. It's super simple when it comes to updating it. But if you wanted to make a custom image, maybe with your logo, maybe with your actual product within the image and use it on your homepage instead, what you can do is go back over to Flow and enter a prompt like this. What I've said is I am selling a digital planner to help people budget whilst building an app for the first time, and I want you to create a main homepage image of a guy on a laptop. You know what? You can pause the screen, read the rest of it, but you're just going to give it all the details for whatever type of image you're looking to make. This time I'm going to, of course, tell it I want to make 4 images, and I'm going to leave it on landscape as well as Nano Banana Pro, and I'm just going to click on enter. And just like that, once again, it's come back with these 4 different images that I'm going to be able to use. Now, one good thing about Nano Banana, or just using Flow generally speaking, is that if you want to make any changes to it, you're going to be able to simply do so to any one of these different images by clicking on add to prompt. And right there, as you can see, it's now added the image to the prompt. And the change that I wanted to make is that I wanted to put the actual image of the digital planner that I'm selling on one of these different monitors. So what I need to do is just take a screenshot of this digital planner just like that, and then upload the screenshot to Flow by clicking on this plus icon. So I've done that already right there. And I'm just going to enter this prompt that says, I want you to make a change to this image, but I want you to use the attached digital planner on one of the monitors in front of the guy. Do not change anything else as much as possible. So it shouldn't take too long. As you can see, the images are now loading, and we should now see the change made to all of these different images. Okay, perfect. Right there, we can see that the actual digital planner is on this monitor screen, as you guys can see. And it's giving me different options as well. So right here, we can see that the digital planner is on this side. On this image, we can see that it's on this side. So you have a lot of choices when it comes to which one you want to go with. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go with this one over here. I'm just going to click on download and then download it in 2K. Okay, so the upscaling has now been completed and the image has now been downloaded. So what I need to do is go back over to Hostinger. And to change this image, it's not difficult. All you need to do is click on image just like this. Click on replace image. I'm going to drag and drop the image into Hostinger just like this. I'm going to click on select. And there we go, guys. Just like that, the image has now been added. And again, this is slightly better because it's got the actual product on the screen, which is going to help when it comes to potentially getting conversions. But this now brings me on to one of the next ways that you can use Nano Banana, which is to use it to make a main cover image that's going to go on the landing page for your physical or digital products. And to do this, it's going to come down to entering in a prompt like this. Now, of course, it all depends on which product you're selling, but in my case, this is something along the lines that I would use. You can pause the screen right now, take your time to read it, just so that you understand exactly what I've mentioned. But what I'm going to do is click on the plus icon, and I need to get the image of the actual digital product in there just like that. And all I need to do is just click on enter. And once again, it's come back with all of these amazing images. And the one that I'm going to go with is this one. I'm just going to download it. I'm going to head back over to my site. I'm going to click on editor. I'm going to click on store. I'm going to say that I want to add a new product. It's going to ask me what type of product do I want to sell. I'm going to go with digital product, just like that. I'm going to use the fast and easy option when it comes to uploading the image, because Hostinger is going to be able to extract all the information from the image and upload the information in the right fields, the title, subtitle, and description. So I'm just going to select this. Okay, perfect. So it's now creating all of the text and it's going to be done in a few seconds. And just like that, it's been able to do it. So we've got all of the information over here. I'm going to be able to set the price in. So let's say if I want to do it at this price, it's going to be in this section where I need to actually upload the digital product, because this is where my customers are going to receive a download link once they make purchase. But because all of this is just for demonstration purposes, showing you how Nano Banana works, I'm just going to click on save. And just like that, as you can see, this is the landing page that people are going to see. We've got the custom logo. We've also got the mock-up for the product page as well, all the information. And I'm going to be able to start pushing this out on the internet if I wanted to. Again, it's just an example, but these are the different ways that you're going to be able to use Nano Banana when it comes to helping you get started with a one-person business. But this actually now brings me on to one of the final, probably most important thing that Nano Banana is able to help you do, which is that it's able to help you generate traffic by either creating organic content or content that you can use in paid ads. And the way that this works is that you're going to need to first and foremost go over to this prompt builder, and you're going to give it information as to what your product is about. And it's going to be able to now generate a custom library of prompts that you can copy and paste into Nano Banana for completely free. So I'm going to leave this tool down below. It may be the first or second link in the description, but we're just going to go with Nano Banana today. As you can see, you can use it to generate a library of organic content or paid content. We're going to go with paid content today. I'm going to say that I want to use this image on a Facebook feed. The device is going to be mobile only. The name of this digital planner is Budget Your App, and the details is this that you can see on the screen. I'm just telling the prompt builder what this planner is all about and the fact that I'm offering 50% off. I'm going to click on next. The purpose of this ad is for a promotional offer and discount. What is my call to action? It's going to be learn more, and I'm just going to click on generate prompts. Okay, there we go. So the prompt builder has now come back with this custom prompt, and what you need to do is just click on copy prompt, just like that. Go over to Google Gemini. You're going to paste the entire prompt in there, click on tools, click on canvas, and then click on submit. And what Gemini has been able to do is come back with 16 custom prompts that's going to be perfect for what we're trying to do today. So you can make this full screen if you want to get a better look. You're just going to click on share and then click on this link. Okay, there we go. So we've got all of these different prompts. So this is a great way for you to get creative ideas if you're struggling when it comes to making either organic content or paid content. So I'm just going to copy one of these. I could just click on copy prompt. Then go back over to Nano Banana. I'm going to drag the image of the digital planner in there just like that. I'm going to enter the prompts. All the information is here telling Nano Banana what to do. So I'm just going to read through it. If there's any changes that I need to make, I'm going to be able to do it at this point. But so far, so good. Looks good. I'm just going to click on enter. Okay, perfect, guys. There we have it. These are the different images that I'm going to be able to use as a Facebook or Instagram ad. It's been able to do a good job of putting the actual digital planner on the screen, as you can see, of the phone. It's also put the text as well as the call to action. And the good thing about Nano Banana at the time of me making this video is that because you don't have to pay to use it, you're going to be able to test out various different creatives. You're going to be able to test out various different bits of organic content. And then from there, you're going to be able to now find out what is your style of content to move forward with. But for the most part, I would say that those are some of the interesting use cases of Nano Banana that I don't really see that many people talking about on the internet. If you've enjoyed this video, you've learned anything, you got any sort of value from it, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. Don't forget to check out Hostinger down below if you want to build your website. I'm going to leave all the information when it comes to signing up, as well as getting a discount. I'm going to put the coupon code on the screen. You're going to find all the information to them in my description when it comes to using the AI website builder. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where in this video, I'm going to be able to expand on some other ways that you can use Nano Banana. things I didn't have time to talk about in today's video. You're going to be able to watch that by clicking the link right there. Check that out straight after this. That video has helped out countless people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from the very start all the way to the very end, it's going to be able to help you out as well. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.